here in Manila. Pero thank you! Of course guys, the usual. Tingnan natin ang kanila. So hi guys, we are going to check in today sa Admiral M Gallery here in Rojas Boulevard. So, papasok na tayo. So here's the lobby area or lounge ng Admiral. No. Don't you say bomba?
May ano sila? Sauna and spa.
Ay, hindi ko natanong eh.
Check that.
Mamaya tinan natin. So this is their parang bar, resto. We are on our way to our room. Nice, oh. Ganda, no? So, we're checking in at 8:01. Ito na, checking in. So, guys, ito ang ating room dito sa M Gallery Admiral. So, let's check the CR. Of course, unahin na natin since nasa Bukana na siya and may bidet sila. Super classy ng kanilang bidet. Gold. Everything is gold. And ang kanilang toiletries, dental kit, vanity kit, shower cup. Sobrang gold din ang kanilang hot and cold. They have lotion. Okay, let's check the CR. Super, ano tawag doon? Fancy din ang kanilang CR. Oh my gosh. It's everything gold. And, ang mga shampoo nila and conditioner, of course, may tatak na naman. Actilis ba ang tawag dyan? Mamaya sasabihin ko kung ano talaga. Okay. Super nice. Okay, this is the room. It's a king-size bed with carpet, with cabinet on the side, with bathrobe. 2 bathrobes. And then, what else? Weighing scale. So, mamaya titignan natin yung ating... Of course, there's safe, and then there's also laundry bag. And ano pa ba? Hair dryer is here, and I can see 2 set of slippers plus ironing board and iron. Ang ganda rin ang cabinet nila. We'll also check the pillows if it's memory foam. Anyways, dito naman sa minibar area nila, there's Nespresso machine. Okay, there's also stevia, and they also have a set of tea, Earl Grey, chamomile, English breakfast, and jasmine tea. Check the mini bar here. Okay. So may mga drinks. But I guess that's not complimentary. So we're not touching it. There is a work area here. May mga sockets for recharging. And babasahin. Let us see the view. I think this is a city view. Nothing much to see. Oh, there's a portion of Manila Bay. Nice. Nice. Okay. Ang ganda ng room. Guys, welcome to our channel, Eat, Pray, Love, Travel. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Admiral M Gallery. It's a hotel, 5-star hotel located dito sa may Rojas Boulevard. So we checked in and we got upgraded. Actually, binook lang natin to ng superior room and then in-upgrade nila for a deluxe room. So, i-check natin yung, actually, na-check na namin tong room. Sobrang ganda, as in like, all gold. Syempre, the usual kapag M Gallery, katulad nung chinek-in na namin na M Gallery sa Vietnam, sa Sapa. Sana nakita ninyo yung video na yun. Well, anyway, sobrang ganda ng kanilang interior ba tawag dyan? Interior design. And then yung CR nila maganda rin. At of course, syempre, na-expect na natin na magaganda yung mga toiletries nila. Shampoo, conditioner. Hindi ko lang alam ang because Apples ba yun? Whatever. So, mamaya sabihin ko kung anong tamang bigkas doon. Tapos, i-check din natin kung ano yung mga amenities na available nila dito sa hotel na to. And of course, tomorrow morning, for sure, i-check natin yung kanilang breakfast. Breakfast is 1,800 per person, pero may promo sila na 1,000 pesos lang per person pagka in-avail mo na upon check-in. So, in-avail natin yung 1,000 pesos na yun para at least 2,000 pesos lang yung inyong breakfast for 2 na yon. So, and by the way guys, meron nga pala silang security deposit. It's 2,000 pesos, so you can pay cash or card or whatever. I don't know if it's per night, pero malamang per night siya. Kaya lang kinuha 2,000 is because overnight stay lang naman kami dito. Because galing lang kami ng Tagaytay and then ngayon dumiretso kami dito para at least mas malapit na. Okay, but for the meantime, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to keep you posted. See you later. Bye-bye. Is puntahan natin yung kanilang mga amenities dito. May mga suite room na located dito.
Pool.
This way to pool. Ito pala. Lunch buffet starts at 2.7 or lunch or brunch. So like 50 off yan kung lunch buffet. And then 40 off. So dito tayo sa pool. Nandito pala sa 8th level yung access. Ayun. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Grabe. Ganda. Wala tayong dalang swimsuit.
Pwede man short t-shirt. Ito yung access eh. Sa may buffet restaurant eh.
Oo. Super ganda. Pwede mo i-upgrade dito yung...
Gusto mo ngayon ko yun?
Sige.
Tambay tayo dito.
Oo. Super ganda. Dito tayo sa dulo. This is the gym. Can we go inside? Let's go inside. May tao ba? This is the gym, guys. So, sobrang dami ng... Oh, they also have cold towel, no? Okay.
Pwede ko mag-order na power blends.
Saan? May bayad. Banana booster. Apple pie. All drinks are 500 pesos. Lounge area. Doon, diba?
Hindi ko pa alam yung saan.
Aray ko.
Ito yung mga ano. May magkabang sisi. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
We can order you one. Para matry natin. Mango cheese. Nandito tayo ngayon sa lounge area. Actually, nakita na natin yung pool. Ang ganda ng pool nila. Overlooking Manila Bay. Maganda siguro yun sa gabi. Tapos meron ding bar area. Pero ito kasi yung pinakamaganda dito sa Admiral. Actually, ano na kami dito eh. Nag-post na kami ng video dito na breakfast buffet. Pero last year pa yun. So, ito try natin ulit ngayon. Ang kanilang breakfast buffet. Pero tumambay muna kami dito kasi sobrang ganda nga nito. Oh. So guys, we are dining here for lunch sa El Atrio. Tingnan natin ang kanilang mga food. Hindi ko mabasa actually eh. Iraran na lang natin kung anong mga food na available. May gusto ka? May pizza ba?
Ha?
Pizza?
Hindi ko nga makita eh.
Ang liit ng sulat eh. Beverage. Sobrang daming beverage na available.
Pasta and risotto, walang pizza.
Anyway.
May mga sandwich.
So guys, kakain kami and we are given a free set of bread. Thank you, Admiral. Mukhang masarap and freshly baked or something.
Busog na dito sa sa bread.
Yeah.
Paki-cancel lahat ng order. Bread na lang po.
Guys, nag-order kami ng pasta.
Ay, mukhang masarap yung bread nila.
Talaga?
Oo. Oh. Ano to ah?
Of course, ano yan eh? Bread.
Oo. At yung cheese nila oh. Tingnan mo.
Butter yan.
No. It's butter cheese.
Hindi, herb.
Herb.
Butter.
Oh, sarap po.
Ano?
Malunggay.
Iba-iba. Talaga. Malunggay ka dyan. Kain tayo. Guys. Free bread for us. Kain tayo. Uy, mainit. Mainit-init. Siyempre, pag bread sa hotel, masarap. So guys, we ordered this carbonara and this one is yung kanilang bestseller. I forgot.
Baka matabi.
Pangalan na. Basta nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng pasta. Hirap pigkasin guys. So orderin, kainan na lang natin. Laki na serving nga, no? Good for two.
Yeah.
Let's start eating. Oh, masarap. Guys, natry na natin yung pasta. Actually, natikman ko na yung chunk of beef. Ang sarap, promise. Lahat may lasa.
May lasa.
And yung kanilang tomato is also buo-buo. Chunk of tomatoes. At, try natin yung rigatoni pasta. Ay, ang sarap ng tomato. Siyempre, masarap ang tomato. Sarap? Masarap kami. Ito try natin yung carbonara. Now guys, we are trying the carbonara. Ang laki din ang serving talaga nila.
Sarap. Pati yung ano nila, meat, yung bacon.
Ano?
Solid.
Talaga?
Solid yung bacon.
Guys, tapos na tayo kumain. Sarap. Actually, may natira pa nga. Pero mas gusto ko yung red sauce. Yung carbonara kasi more parang smoke yung ano, bacon. Hindi ko tayo may mga smoke.
Ay, ako
Diba?
gusto ko yung gano'n. Parang ano, medyo may may pagkasunog-sunog na lasa.
Smoke.
Oo nga.
Mamayang gabi, punta tayo dun sa Ruby Bond. Explore natin kung ano meron dun sa loob niya. Ayan, papanik din tayo sa taas, sa roof deck. Kasi yung kanilang bar doon, overlooking ng Manila Bay. I guess maganda yan paggabi. Guys, we're gonna check out the spa. Tignan natin kung para tong M Gallery na merong steam and sauna. So, ito yung kanilang mga rates. Hagod, 4.8. Talagang mahagod ka dyan sa sobrang mahal. Vitality, 4.8, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, and 120 minutes. Okay ba? Pero, tingnan natin kung ano yung pwede natin may picture. Hello, good afternoon. Yep, thank you. This is the entire spa area?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, I have a question. Meron kayong sauna and steam?
Here, ma'am.
So entitled for all yon na naka-check-in or dapat meron kang in-avail na service?
The steam bath, ma'am, dapat meron tayong massage or any services.
Okay. Steam lang, walang sauna?
We have Vichy din, ma'am.
Can I go in?
Yes.
Thank you. So, ang daming mga rooms,
this is
no?
our steam room.
Okay. Male and female naman? Or,
Yes po, ma'am.
or dapat hiwalay?
Same lang po. Pero if...
Like for example, couple, pwede sila sabay?
Yes, po.
Really? Nice! Nice.
this one naman is the Vichy is new for us. Ano yan?
Anong pangalan?
Vichy po. For the body scrub.
And then dito na rin siya shower
Yes.
after.
Yes.
Tama ba ako? Ang ganda. Sige, i-check ko yung mga services. So, for now, steam and this one lang available.
Yeah,
Okay.
the other rooms, ma'am, are for massage.
Oh, lahat. Pero may couple, rin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's...
In the middle is the couple massage po. There.
Ay, sorry.
Dito muna tayo, ma'am.
So this
one,
one-
ma'am, is for our head spa.
It's okay to go.
Yeah, sure.
Head spa, nice. Ganda.
Tapos this one naman, ma'am, is our nails and lashes room.
So, kompleto pala. Hindi lang basta massage and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Meron na rin mga nails.
Opo. But for now, ma'am, we are just having the nail services. The lashes, ma'am, would be, I think it's on July or August.
Okay. So, hindi pa siya available.
Yes, for the lashes.
So, ano ba ito? Through, you have to call for appointment pa or pwede naman na dumiretso dito?
Mas maganda, ma'am, kung may booking tayo. Here also, ma'am, is for the single head spa.
Head spa. So, ano yung ginagawa sa head spa? Parang
More
scalp,
on-
massage,
Yeah,
ganyan.
they have head and scalp massage.
Okay. Ang laki ng yung spa area.
This one, ma'am, is our single massage.
So, si single massage, can I go in?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. So, meron siyang sarili na niyang shower area and then
Yes, ma'am.
meron na rin siyang bath.
You have also the...
May closet na rin siya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Also for the jewelry.
Nice. It's nice. Okay. Until what time kayo open?
The massage, ma'am, the spa is from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Then, okay lang.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
And, okay, sige. Uy na. Oh, meron ng jacuzzi. Is this?
For the couple.
Ang ganda. Couple na couple setup talaga.
Yes.
Pero meron kayong mga ina-offer na promo for couples talaga or individually availed talaga?
For na ma'am, individually.
Ah,
Also,
okay.
mag-o-open pa lang din po ma'am si facial.
Ay, okay. So, originally, it's for massage lang.
Yes.
And then, they also have their own
Yes.
closet. And then, toilet and bath. Okay, sige. Super nice. They also have their own closet, oh. And for the... Nice, nice, nice. So, sobrang ganda.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.
So, ang gagawin namin is just call na lang if we're interested to avail of the service.
Yes, ma'am. You can call the FO, ma'am, the front desk for your booking.
Okay, guys. Punta tayo dito sa Benibana Hair Atelier. And, okay. Ay, okay. Salamat. So, may salon na rin pala sila dito sa loob.
This is
Ay,
our
hello,
salon,
hello.
ma'am. Sir Melvin is our senior stylist.
Hi.
Ma'am, the nail technician po.
Okay. So, Kiss, tinatanong ko kasi your...
I'm Joey, ma'am, receptionist.
Okay. So, tinatanong ko si Joey of the services na menu kasi nakita ko dito is yung mga massages lang. That's why I wanna check lang. Thank you.
Here, ma'am, is our services for the hair.
So, I can get this
Yeah.
na. Oh, sige.
Tapos may ano na din yan, ma'am, sa likod yung number po.
Okay.
Kapag sa hair, ma'am, or the salon, you can direct message us or call us.
Okay. This
But
one naman, hanggang anong oras?
10 a.m. ma'am until 7 p.m.
10 to 7 p.m. Okay. Salamat, Joey.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you for accommodating me.
Welcome.
Salamat.
Enjoy your stay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Guys, we have a free supply. Thank you. Good evening, guys. On the way kami ngayon sa Ruby Wong. Sana makapasok kami. It's a speakeasy na bar na famous dito sa Admiral. We didn't know na kailangan pala naka-proper business. Naka-proper smart casual attire. Wala kaming shoes.
If you mean proper smart casual attire.
Ano if you means?
Ano ibig sabihin na proper
Hindi,
smart
kailangan
casual
pala hindi ka pwede dapat naka-close shoes ka. Yun. Tapos bawal ng shorts. And
So lahat pala
Proper.
pwede naka-shoes, shorts.
ha? Tignan natin guys kung makakapasok tayo just to check the entire place. Miss Ruby, this way to Intriguing World of Miss Ruby. Ayan na nga, guys.
May dumpling.
Oo nga, may dumpling, may Hindi natin alam kung papasukin tayo eh. Tignan natin. Welcome! Ito na, nakakahiya bumaba kasi business attire nga talaga yung pero ang ganda. Baka naman we can go.
Oo nga eh.
Okay, let's go down.
Feeling ko pag walang tao, okay lang. Pero syempre kung may tao, pero sa time ngayon, I think wala pa. Doon tayo sa sulok.
Ganda, grabe. There is freedom within. There is freedom within. Super nice. This is a hidden.
Kasi ito yung bar sa loob.
Oo nga.
The bar is inside.
Yay! May bar dun sa loob, guys. So, tingnan natin kung may tao. Ay, may tao nga. So, we cannot go inside. Pero we'll take a pic. Liyoko. Siyempre, nahihiya naman ako, Han. Kasi hindi tayo naka-proper attire. May dress code. Guys, may dress code dito, ha. Since wala lang tao ngayon, tinry namin mag-snake. Pero actually, sobrang ganda niya. Ayan, parang kang nasa China. Wow, feeling nakapagpunta na ng China. Pwede tayo kumain dito. Let's eat it. Hello guys. So, success tayo. Nakapasok tayo actually. Sobrang ganda. Oh, it's really a private area. As in, like, it's a must try to go here. So, anyway, bigyan namin kayo ng run-through. Wait. Sana ma-justify ng video na to. No? Kung gaano kaganda talaga yung buong area. Because it's really super nice.
Thank you.
Thanks. So, ayun si Ruby Wong. Sino kaya siya? This is an authentic Chinese restaurant. Yan, yung peg niya. By the way, guys, observe the dress code.
Actually, nahihiya na ako bigla.
Ako din.
Ako pinelos ako.
Hindi kaya nga itago mo. So, naka-slippers kami. Pero yung chinelas naman namin, ganda naman. Decente din naman yung damit namin. Decente ba yung damit niya? Kasi lahat naman pumapasok. Ang gaganda naman. I mean, hindi naman magaganda. Decente. There's a dress code pero pinagbigyan kami. So, thank you for that.
Okay,
Yeah, pero parang nakakahiya pumasok sa loob ng bar. So, ayun yung bar sa loob. So, parang ayoko talaga pumasok. Kasi syempre, you know, huwag tayo mag-break ng rules. It's a decent place eh. Kaya. Dami yan, celery. Ang beef brisket, may choice ka kung gusto mo na dry noodles or with soup. You also have a choice kung gusto mo na extra rice. Pero masarap actually. Masarap. Sarap. Perfect for weather, mid-weather season. So we ordered this Rising Sun. Ano to? Cocktail?
Cocktail.
Kaksa? Cork and squirt ba? Beer ba to?
No.
Ano?
Cocktail.
So we are at Admiral Club. At ito ang kanilang entire breakfast, lunch, and dinner area. See this? Yes. Michelin 2020. Sorry ko na 2024 eh. De Guzman, oo.
Korean cuisines.
Here? Yeah.
Side, the pastry and hour is 50. So for soups and fresh fruits on this side.
Thank you.
We also have our juice area there and then the detox drinks.
Okay.
This table would be fine with you, ma'am, sir?
Can we be at the...
The couch area. Sure po.
Thank you! Of course guys, the usual. Tingnan natin ang kanilang Actually, masarap ang omelette dito. Kung napanood ninyo yung previous vlog namin sa breakfast dito sa Admiral, binrag ko yung masarap yung and masarap din ang salad niya. Flat white, latte. And they have shots. Power shots. They also have taho. Taho na walang ano, kapit yun. So let's eat that.
Masarap ba?
Natikman mo?
Hindi, nakita ko pa ng authentic eh.
Masarap. Kaya lang sobrang lapot.
May nakita ko oatmeal bagong luto. Hindi siya yung yung instant.
Yeah. Actually guys, diba? It's our second time here. Nasabi namin na masarap yung mga food nila. Masarap yung tinake note ko dito yung omelette. Masarap. And yung salad. May power shots. Ayan, I got my salad.
Sabi salad mo, fresh lahat na.
So, tatry ko na muna yung salad. Yung salad ko, nalagyan ko lang na potato, cucumber, and that's it. Hindi ko na anything na guava. Ang pure na.
Nagsisink in yung totoo. Ayun dyan yung fiber. So yung pure din, ito yung humangko mo. Fresh. Ito yung mas absolute sa hotel. No? Mga fresh juice.
Yung salad nila.
Anong bebe ko?
Masarap yung salad kasi hydroponics to yan. Guys, yung breakfast nila is 1,888. We're going to avail it. Pero, pag naka-check-in ka dito, may ino-offer silang promo na 1,000 per person lang. So, why not grab it, diba? We availed of the 1,000 per person na breakfast. So then of course you can also book your stay here sa Admiral sa Klook, just like PPLT Klook, to avail 5% discount. Kaya ba?
Ano yung chuli mo?
Bilog na kulay green na maraming ano. Ngayon, hindi ka ba hindi ka na probinsya? Kinukuha lagi yan, pinipitas na ng mga bata sa puno ng ano.
Talaga? Ang sarap ng pure niya eh.
Tapos kinakain.
Ang sarap. Anong health benefit mo? Sarap ng pure niya eh.
Alam ko marami din. Guys, ang mga food selections nila rito, sobrang konti lang sa Pilipino, no? It's mostly international kasi halos ang market talaga nitong M Gallery ay mga business people, no? Saka mga expat, ganyan, mga HBO, ibang lahi. Pero meron silang typical Filipino dish, which is yung tapa, tocino, and adobo, plus the garlic rice, which titikman na natin yan. Oh my God, ano? Naghihiwalay
Pati ano, walang buto. Parang ano, breast part. Diba?
Yeah. Ang detox juice, try natin. May halo, ano? Celery? Ano celery?
Halo ikot mo para yung fiber mo.
Right.
Masarap siya. Diba?
Yan.
Purong fiber.
Mix of
Yun na dun, Nick.
pineapple, apple,
Diba?
orange. Nalasahan ko sila. Yung tatlo. So, sa mga ganitong buffet, guys, it's a must. Nauminom tayo ng ganito dahil alam natin kung gaano kamahal ito. Hindi ganun kadami yung variety nila, pero syempre lahat quality. Kasi international and 5-star. And kung makikita nyo dun sa entrance, mayroong Michelin star. Michelin 2024. This is the only hotel in Metro Manila that has the Michelin star 2024 for year 2024. Kategory ni Michelin star, no?
Ha?
Anong kategory ni Michelin star?
Oo nga.
Anong category ng Michelin star para ma-count ka as Michelin star? Yung 1 star, ang meaning pala nun, a very good restaurant in its category. So, high quality cooking, worth a stop if you're nearby, and consistent execution of dishes. Pag 2 star naman, excellent cooking, worth a detour. So, refined and inspired cuisine, exceptional quality and skill, worth going out of your way for. So, itong 3 star, exceptional cuisine, worth a special journey. So, remarkable dishes that are often works of art, consistently perfect execution, and rare world-class level. So, meaning to say, itong 3 star, ito yung talagang dadayuhin mo kahit nasa malayo ka. May star pala yung qualification, kaya may 1 star, 2 stars, 3 star. So, itong Michelin dito, hindi ko alam kung anong star, pero tignan natin mamaya kung ano.
Ano yung sa ibang bansa, ba't may mga beef
Ganun
gourmand,
din.
ba't may Michelin star?
Oo, ito pala yun, ito yun. Na ano mo, beef, ano?
Eh, di ba dati sa sa Vietnam, ang dami, beef gourmand.
Oo. Ito yun, oh. So, ang other Michelin Guide recognition, Beef Gourmand, awarded to restaurants offering good food at a good value. Not quite star level, but very recommendable.
Affordable price.
Yeah, oo. So, ito yung sa Vietnam siguro na mga...
Ano nakikita mo sa mga kali-kali?
Oo. So, Michelin star pa rin siya. Pero, kumbaga, in terms of, ano tawag dito? Class ba? Parang ganun. So, may Michelin plate din. Yung Michelin plate naman, retired in some regions. Wala na rin. Indicated restaurants with good food that didn't qualify for stars or beef gourmand. Pero Michelin plate, bakit ganon? Anyways, so yun yung mga klase pala ng Michelin. Michelin. Tingnan nga natin kung anong pronounce siya. Oh my God, Michelin nga.
Michelin?
Yeah, it's not Michelin, it's Michelin.
Eh, ano mo ng AI?
Ayan na.
Text-to-speech.
Michelin. M-I-S-H-U-H. Ayan o. Michelin. May narinig kasi ako na ang tawag yung Michelin. That's why na-curious ako. Michelin pala yun. So, 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, Beef Gourmand, and Michelin plate. So, yun yung mga qualifications. So, ngayon, alam na natin kung kailan ang dami na natin dinaan. Saka lang natin na-qualify. Pero magkakaroon yan ng bagong masyalan netong 2025 sa Cebu. Nagpunta sila doon, sinabi.
Magkakategorize sila.
By the way guys, itong hotel na to ay pet-friendly hotel. Pero meron silang certain guidelines sa mga tinatanggap nila mga pets. So, ang alam ko, ang suite room, 2 pets ang allowed and ang other categories na to ay 1 pet ang allowed. Pero we'll check that out later kung ano yung mga qualifications nila para makapag-check-in kayo with your fur babies. So, kakatanong ko lang actually guys, surprise, it's a pet-friendly hotel, 5-star hotel here in Manila. Pero may mga certain guidelines sila sa pag-accept ng pets. Siyempre, dapat naka-diaper and 1 pet per room, pero sa suite room yata 2 pets. Any kind of pets, pero ang price nila is 1,850 per night per pet. So, okay naman siya sa lahat ng facilities except sa gym at saka sa Ruby Hotel. Pero as much as possible, yung mga pets nasa mga common facilities lang. So, kaya wala siguro tayo masyado nakikita mga pets dito. Pero anyway, good news yan sa mga fur parents para at least alam natin na allowed pala dito sa isang 5-star hotel ang mga fur babies niya. We're checking out. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Bye-bye.